Yo, what's good, people? I'm here in London at Qube Studios with my guy Jace. Well,
what's good?
A long overdue collab. We've just cooked up some fire beats for his channel, so I'll leave a link to that video when it's posted. But for this one, we're just gonna keep it organic, man. We're just gonna start cooking up, maybe make some hood trap, some drill. I don't even know yet. I feel like we both make dark beats, so something dark might come out of it, but we'll see. Let's get into it. Something dark. I don't actually know what to make.
That sounds cool.
Yeah. Could start with that.
Yo, for some reason Usher came into my head. Oh yeah.
What would you say you've been cooking up mostly recently?
A lot of hood trap, jerk stuff. I think I've made probably one drill beat this entire
Is it
year.
like one standard drill one? Have you done like drill switch ups or just
Nah,
not even that?
Not even that.
But you just get tired of it?
I don't think I've gotten tired of it. It's just that I've made so many of them that my mind just keeps defaulting to making the same beat over and over again, just with a different melody.
I hear that.
But the one drill beat I did make was fucking hard, I'm not even gonna lie.
You end up just going to the same sounds like every time.
Yeah,
I've noticed that as well. Like, not with you, like when I'm cooking up, I'll just like, I've got my go-to like counter snare, go-to bass and everything. And like you said, it's the same shit, just different melody.
I've been making like a lot of like weird dark trap beats, like with using sounds you wouldn't usually hear. Like these aren't beats that you can rap on. It's mainly like Spotify type stuff.
Those ones are good for YouTube as well. It's weird because in tutorials, it's like you want people to understand that it needs to be simple for artists, but people like to watch the crazy technical stuff because they can learn a few tricks from it. So you could make like the wildest beat that's like not going to be suitable for any artist, but people will watch it just because there's some crazy shit in it.
That's what people gravitate to more.
Yeah.
Oh, do you know I think with Town Hard? You know that one?
This one?
The hybrid. Like at the start goes.
Oh, like falling down type of. I'm like fed up of using vocals in every beat, but I like to use vocals in every beat. Or maybe like a string phrase, may not jump to vocals so soon.
Oh, yeah, that one.
You know, straight away. You know what? I used to be so against like using phrases, or like for a long time I was like, I can't use a phrase because I hadn't made it myself. And then I was like, why am I being a dickhead?
If you look at any song on Spotify in the top 100, there's about 5 producers on every one.
Oh, of course.
So what's the difference?
And that's like what people used to do before DAWs. It's like, all right, let me pull in a violinist, let me pull in a pianist. Pianist? Sounds too close to something else.
The only thing that matters is, does it sound good?
Yeah, you're right.
Does it sound like reversed?
It's a question I ask myself every day. I like it hard time, you know. Yo, real quick, this is your last chance to join the waitlist for the Drill Production Course 2.0. The course officially drops tomorrow, and if you're on the waitlist, you'll receive a huge 40% discount plus over $500 worth of bonuses. This is the most complete drill production course ever made, covering all major drill styles such as dark UK drill, Afro drill, sexy drill, jerk drill, hood trap, and way more. If you've been struggling to get your beats knocking, keep up with the latest drill sounds, or just want a clear step-by-step system to level up fast, this course is for you. But once launch week is over, the deal's gone for good, so hit the link in the description to secure your spot now, and I'll see you in there soon. But let's get back into it. Yeah. That first one sounded dark. I was saying it's gonna be you, but every beat could do with an emoji from time to time.
merge it up now.
Ready to flip it? Let me do a couple of different sections then. It's ready for a flip though, isn't it? You've like made it with the intention to flip it, but then when you flip it, it just sounds shit. Like when you reverse it, it's
pretty
like,
much
fuck.
daily. To be honest, it's usually the shittest sounding melodies that flip the best. So I don't know how this one's gonna sound.
I've got high hopes. As soon as you change the key, it's just refreshing anyway. That's the drop.
Oh,
that's kind of hard. That's fire.
That's Nems right there, bro.
Yeah. I want to keep that beginning bit as well for later.
Intro.
Just mute it.
That's tough.
Yeah, it's quite a different progression, innit?
Yeah.
I don't even need anything else. Do you want to start with some drums?
Sure.
I'd say if you're gonna do like hood trap bounce, then that Sacred Trap Suite's pretty good. And then Planet Drill, if you need like counter snares, things like that. Drum fills, I'd maybe go to Planet Drill.
You've got a lot of kits, dude.
First part sounds hard actually. It's hard. What are you listening to mostly these days? Like what's on the J Soul playlist?
In terms of UK or
just anything really, day to day.
In terms of like the drill shit, the only artist I still listen to is like Carl Rich, Jane Carter.
Yeah. I see like the New York stuff.
Yeah, like that Jerk. In terms of UK, the only one I'm really listening to right now is Nems. Central C's album was sick, I like that. What about you?
UK, listening to at the moment. I think Poser's sick.
Oh yeah,
I think he's actually hard.
Yeah, Poser's fucking hard.
Poser's crazy. I still listen to some of the older heads as well, man. Like I always thought K Coke is sick.
He just dropped.
Oh yeah, Devlin's actually sick. I haven't heard his new one, but he's hard, obviously.
There's a guy called YT. He raps on Jerk beats. He's pretty sick.
I'll have to check him out.
There's a guy called Sinner. He's good.
There's a girl called Lexa Gates who's sick, and another one called Samara Sin. There's actually some like sick
Samara
female.
Sin.
Samara Sin.
Oh.
CYM.
Okay.
Samara Sin. That sounds like a
that's what I was saying.
A red tube name. This bit's a bit different.
Yeah, that's good.
Maybe we could do that Nathan bounce again, something similar to the last one with the log drums and shit.
It would make more sense with the first part as well.
There's also a really good kit called the Crate Collection. I don't know if you've heard of it. It's the best kit for boom bap beats that's on the market, to be honest.
Oh really? That sounds like a kit I want to purchase. Where can one find this?
I think you can find it at jcactus.com.
As well. Yeah, it could go goom goom.
It could go like what?
Nothing, bro. Thanks. I think just a subtle, what was that?
Boom. Something like that.
I think just a subtle CTM. I'm rinsing this fucking 808 out. Am I allowed to swear?
Nah.
Okay.
I'm joking, man. Yeah, you can say whatever.
The fudge.
Don't do.
Yeah. Nothing else you're hearing in the last 10 minutes? Fucking hell, my hands are sweaty.
Yeah, same. Maybe we just get like a sexy drill bass line in there for a little breakdown or something. I don't even think I've got the bass on here, but I'll be able to find something similar. intro. I think this is it.
The moment of truth.